guys ever come home from a little mini vacation, just get a package in the mail, boom, the new Piscifun line spooler. It's time to spool some new line on my phantom reel. Been going through hell the past couple weeks, so let's go. Yo, what is up, guys? Today we have something really awesome, really cool I got in the package. I'm about to spool some line on, and we just got this package in the mail. It's gonna help me put on some line. So this is a line spooler holder. It's a really cool device here. Came in like 3 different pieces, pretty easy to assemble. It's made by Piscifun. If you want to check them out, link will be in the description down below or right here across the screen. So let's get to it. This is really basic. Really cool thing about this is that it could either go on the rod or it could be set on a table with this suction cup. I'm gonna stick it on the rod for this video purpose. It goes right up there. Pretty easy to attach onto there. Nothing special. Just like that. The reel's here. The line spool is right up there, right above it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my line on here. See you in a sec. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with 50-pound braid, some cheap braid. This is just gonna make me a backer for it so that I don't waste any expensive fluorocarbons. My dog is back there doing something. But anyways, I already tied the knot there, and I'm gonna just rig it up like this. I'm gonna use this little slider here to tighten it up, and it pretty much goes on that spool pretty easily there. Now it's pretty tight on there. Now this part, easiest part, you just reel, and look at that. Show you guys. Look at that. It's that easy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of backer on here, but that is going on nicely. I think that's enough backer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the fluorocarbon after this. Alright guys, I got the fluorocarbon tied on here, and I got it on the spooler, so I'm pretty much just letting it do its thing, reeling it. That simple. Like, you can't do anything easier than this. Just gonna fill it up with the rest of the fluorocarbon. Like I said, guys, if you are interested in this product here, it beats all the store ones out of this world. It's just so much better, holds the line so much easier, and distributes the line pretty evenly on the spool without you holding your finger like this and controlling it. Like, this is the best line spooler I've ever gotten. But like I said, I'm gonna finish up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Don't forget, if you want to check out the Piscifun product here, go ahead and check it out. Link will be in the description down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Keep fishing forward. Yuki, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? You like it? You like it? What do you think about it? Yeah? Thumbs up? Yep, thumbs up. See you guys on the next one.